This is one of those suction cup holders. They're used to hold on, in this case, a GPS, telephones, other accessories, and sometimes they just won't stick to the window. I had an old one, it was falling off. We bought a new one, this is the new one, it was falling off. So let's take a look and see what's going on and how you can fix this pretty easily. These little marks over here that look like scratches, if we tilt this thing a little bit, maybe you can start to see there's actually material missing here, all around here. And it's not a lot. I mean, you can feel it, but it's not a lot. So that's what was causing this old one to fall off. And there's not really much you can do on it with it. You know, we tried putting water on it, sticking it up there, but of course as soon as the water evaporates it falls off. So we ended up buying a new one. And why did the new one not stick? Well, what was happening was these little fine pieces of rubber from here were staying on the car window. They were really hard to see, and the new one, it was interfering with the suction on the new one, and it would just pop right off. So the old suction cup left black, very small black specks where we wanted to mount this one. And how did we get them off? Well, there's film on this window, so you don't want to go tearing that up. We just used some water and literally fingernail and took it easy. Yeah, and that was, well, I don't know, it's a while back. This thing hasn't come loose. So that's all it takes, just your fingernail and a little bit of water, and you can clean that up. If you don't clean it up, it won't stick on there, but that's all it takes. And now the new one sticks up there just fine. I tried buying the suction cup, and it turns out these suction cups are really hard to find. You have to have the diameter the same, and you have to have this, there's a little piston or a little piston on top here that engages with this pin. Got to be the right length and everything, or it just doesn't work. So yeah, but what happens is it turns out this little ball right here is, I think, 2.5 centimeters, and they're really, really common. Like 95% of all of these things have that same size ball, and you can buy one off the internet. I found one at a junk sale for $4, and if I would have walked a little farther, I could have found one for $2. So yeah, just a very low cost item. You can buy this whole piece. Just measure your old ball and make sure it's the 2.5 centimeter standard, and then you can just buy a replacement cheap. Well, that was it for today. I hope you found this useful and interesting in your DIY car repair projects.